Well, they had more fun cleaning up than they did playing with the actual slime. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. My name is Gabriel. Hold on, let me turn my car off. Today, if you can't tell by the title, I'm going to be making slime. Now, I have two little boys. We got Jason Scott and Oliver Kyle. Now, they've never played with slime. They've never even seen slime. So I'm going to go to Target and we're going to buy all the ingredients for slime. So I need shaving cream, contact solution, and some glue. Let's go and let's get to it. I'll meet you back at Target. Alright, so I'm here in the men's hair care or shaving cream. Let's get some. We got two. Let's go find, what else do I need? Shaving cream, contact solution. Let's go find some contact solution. Alright, so I got the contact solution. Now I got a list, hold up. School glue, and then I need to get some sugar-free caramel vanilla syrup or cream for the wife. She just actually texted me and I need to go to Winco and get some avocados, so we're gonna go to Winco after this. So I grabbed some clear glue, so that's what we're gonna use. Now let's go get some vanilla, sugar-free vanilla syrup. I always forget to look in the camera and not the screen. I have the G7X. Alright, so I got the creamer. I don't know if it's the right one. I just texted my wife and we'll see, and then we'll head out and go to Winco. Oh, alright, so I got all of the supplies we needed, so I'm going to head over to Winco and get some avocados. And I will see you guys at home. I'm not going to record in Winco because I'm only going to be there for a few seconds. So, alright, I'll see you at home. Alright, we're home and I have all the ingredients. I have the glue, so that's what I'm going to add in first. The recipe called for 1 cup, so I'm going to pour in the 1 cup of glue. Gotta get it all. And then I'm going to put 2 drops of food coloring. Just 2 drops. So 1, 2. Hopefully that's enough. Now it called for 3 cups of shaving cream. I don't really know how to accurately measure shaving cream. Enough. Spray it in here. One cup. Super messy. Two cups. I'm using my hand to get this shaving cream out. It's already getting like a slimy. Oh, look at Jason's little artwork. Jason's artwork back there. Alright. Got our 3 cups. Now I'm going to stir this into the glue, and like I said, the boys have never played with slime. I don't think they've even seen slime. This is going to be fun. Now I'm going to add the contact solution. The recipe called for 5 tablespoons, so I'm adding 5 tablespoons. There it is. Done using this. Check it out. All the boys are gonna have fun with this. Alright, so I got my slime done. It's a really cool slime. I'm really excited how it turned out. Alright, I'm gonna get it off me. Now I have to go get Jason from school. And after I pick him up, I'm gonna bring him home, put him to a nap, and then when they both wake up, I'm going to introduce to them the slime. What's going on, everyone? I'm here at Mr. Jason Scott's school. I'm just waiting to pick him up. He's gonna be sitting right. He's gonna be sitting right there, right there. And then we're gonna go get some McDonald's because, well, it's after school. It's 1 o'clock after school, so he's gonna eat some McDonald's, take a nap, and then I'm gonna show him the slime. It's gonna be super awesome. My wife, she was watching me make the slime, and she was like, oh, "He's so monotone," and I was like, "The kids are asleep. I have to be," or Oliver was asleep. I have to stay quiet, because he needs his nap. He's 2. He's about to be 2. I am gonna be ecstatic to introduce them to slime. Oh, here he comes. All right, I gotta go get him, and you'll see him in a couple seconds. Mr. Jason, how was school? Did you have fun? Say hi. No, you gonna drink your cup? All right, so that's Mr. Jason. You'll see more of him throughout, well, all of our videos because he's our little boy. All right, so we're gonna go and head to McDonald's. So I will see you guys in the drive-thru. Hey, Jason. Jason. Dad, hey, I have a surprise for you and brother, but let's get some food first, okay? And then we're gonna take a nap. All right, I got a surprise for you. You're gonna like it. Ooh, 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 ooh. We're here, not Taco Bell, where are we, Walmart? No, McDonald's. I don't know why I said all the other words. Hold on, let me go get his car. So you guys didn't see it, but Jason dropped his little toy Paw Patrol car, and I put the car in park and jumped over into the back seat to reach for it and get it for him. So that was fun. Yeah, that just happened. So because we're gonna have a lot of stuff from McDonald's, I'm going to see you guys back at the apartment. All right, we're here outside. The boys are awake from their nap, and I got their slime. You see that? Awesome. All right, boys. Look. Jason, Oliver, boys. Look. 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 What is that?
Huh?
You like it? It's called slime. Jason, do you like it? How about you, Oliver? Whoa!
I know.
Whoa! Bring it back. Bring it back over here. Whoa! Come on, Oliver. Touch the slime. Come on, grab it. Here's like the slime. Alright, that's the boys being introduced to slime, so please like this video. This is, I don't know if I haven't said it yet, but this is our first official video. So, like this video, subscribe and turn on your post notifications for post notification shoutouts, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Well, they had more fun cleaning up than they did playing with the actual slime. Jason, come back. Let me see. Alright, peace.